Start by uploading your PCB. If you click this button, you can see all the file types that SIwave can support. Go to Simulation and access the Signal Integrity Wizard. Select the lines that you want to analyze. Go next. Here for each line, you have to specify on one end a driver and on the other end is the receiver. On the driver, you specify whether you have an IBIS model, yes or no, and you also specify the signal. The definition of the signal, you'll find it here. This is where we define the bit rate, delay, the rising time, the falling time. Then you go next. Here you add any other information to the lines. Like here we have a pull-up impedance, 50 ohm, 2.6 volt. Then you go next. Here is the list of all the grounds and the power planes related to the RF lines you are analyzing. Here, make sure to select use Ansys electronic desktop, so you'll be able to see the results in the Ansys electronic desktop, and you will see the circuit, and you can do a lot of things there. You can specify the transient analysis that you want, not SIwave to do, but the electronic desktop to do. And the last part is the most important part. Remember, SIwave is an S parameter solver. It's going to solve for the S parameters over a band of frequency. Then when you go to the electronic desktop circuit, there where you do all the signal integrity analysis. So you click here and you specify the frequency band, the number of points. This number, which is the top frequency, is related to the rising time. Make sure to select a number here in the rising time that is shorter than the shortest rising time in your system. Click OK and you launch the solver. Now that we have a solution, we go to electronic desktop and we see the circuit. This circuit was constructed by SIwave, and you can look at the results for the transient on the receiver side. You can also see the quick eye.